লট অফ পিপল যারা নাকি শিলিগুড়িতে আছে, অনেক অনেক মানুষেরা আছে যারা স্কুলকে বলে যে না, স্টুডেন্টের ডেভেলপমেন্ট স্কুলের ওপর ডিপেন্ডস করে। এটা অনেকে ভাবে, অনেক প্যারেন্টসরাও ভাবে। এর জন্য কী করে, ওরা চেষ্টা করে যে তাদের ছেলেমেয়েরা যাতে ভালো স্কুলে অ্যাডমিশন করাতে পারে, যাতে ভালো নলেজ গেইন করতে পারে। বাট উই অলরেডি প্রুভড দিস ইজ নট কারেক্ট অল দ্য টাইম। এটা কিন্তু সবসময় সঠিক নয়। কারণ আজকে ঘোগমালি হাই স্কুল, শিলিগুড়ি ঘোগমালি হাই স্কুল, এই স্কুলটাকে অনেকে মনে করে ইট ইজ নট রেটেড দ্যাট মাচ। এটা কিন্তু অতটা রেটেড নয়। এই জন্য অনেক গার্জেনরাও বলে যে না, ঘোগমালি স্কুলে পড়াবো, ঘোগমালি স্কুলে পড়াবো। দে বিকাম সো পেসিমিস্টিক, লাইক মানে একটু নিরাশ হয়ে যায়। তারা চায় কি সবসময় যে শিলিগুড়ি বয়েজ হাই স্কুল অথবা গার্লস হলে শিলিগুড়ি গার্লস হাই স্কুল, নয়তো বা বর্দাকান্তি স্কুল, নয়তো বা তরাই স্কুল বা নেতাজি বয়েজ হাই স্কুল, তাই না? বাট হিয়ার উই প্রুভড school doesn't matter when it comes to knowledge and intelligence. A mentor, a guide, it's very important. তো আমি কি করছি, জয় ঘুঘুমালি স্কুলে আছে, আমার আরেকটা স্টুডেন্ট আছে, তার নাম হলো ঈশা। ওকে, শি ইজ ইন ক্লাস 11 স্ট্যান্ডার্ড। আই ডোন্ট কেয়ার where my students are coming from or in which schools they are reading in right now. আমি কিন্তু স্কুলকে ম্যাটার করি না, আমি ম্যাটার করি যে what they know and what are the differences between my students and the other students. আমি পরিষ্কার একটা জিনিস দেখি যে আমার স্টুডেন্ট আর অন্য স্টুডেন্টের মধ্যে পার্থক্য কী। আমি বাংলা মিডিয়ামে যে সমস্ত স্টুডেন্টরা পড়ছে তাদেরকে কনভেন্টের মতো বানাচ্ছি আন্ডার মাই গাইডলাইন্স। আমি তাদেরকে কনভেন্ট স্কুল থেকে বেটার বানাবো ইফ দে লিসেন টু মাই ইনস্ট্রাকশনস, ইফ দে ওবে মি অ্যান্ড মাই অ্যাডভাইস। সো দ্যাটস মাই প্রমিস। তো আমার প্রমিস হলো বাংলা মিডিয়ামে পড়ুক, যে স্কুলে পড়ুক, বাট আমি ওদেরকে কনভেন্টের স্কুলের থেকেও বেটার কোয়ালিটি এডুকেশন দিয়ে ওদেরকে ট্যালেন্ট করবো, সো দ্যাট দে ক্যান শাইন ইন ফিউচার ইভেন ব্রাইটার দ্যান দ্য স্টার। ওকে, তো এটাই ছিল মেসেজ, যে স্কুল কোনো ম্যাটার করে না, ম্যাটার করে যে আপনার ছেলে মেয়ে বা চিলড্রেনরা কার কাছে পড়ছে, কে গাইড করছে। আফটার অল স্টুডেন্টস বিকাম এক্স্যাক্টলি লাইক দেয়ার টিচার্স they are following. So Joy, my question is that students who are from West Bengal board, they are also learning English as a part, right, in the syllabus. So according to you, I know that you are a student, you are just learning and you make mistakes, and we know that we learn from making mistakes, right? We learn from our own mistakes. So there may be so many mistakes that you might be making during this conversation, but what is your suggestions? A lot of other students from West Bengal board, they are also reading in class 10 standard just like you.
Yes.
But I hardly find students outside speaking in English like you. Most of them, they are very afraid of English. So what would be your suggestions, and how should create their environment? Who is responsible for their improvement?
There are many things they are responsible for their not improving, like their teachers. Their teachers teach them how to pass or score exam, but they need a mentor like you. They need mentor who can teach them how to communicate in society or develop their skill, or how to use their skill to earn money.
Okay, so according to you, that English is not a subject to score marks in exam. It's a language to communicate your thoughts with the rest of the society.
Yes.
Just to let the people know what you have in your mind, because education is not seen, right? It cannot be seen from outside, but it can be understood only when you are talking with the person who's listening to you.
Yeah. Or the behavior you show.
Absolutely. There are two outputs of education, right? Yes. What did I say? Two outputs, right? One is behavior, and the other is your understanding other people by conversation. Okay. So suggest those students who cannot speak in English reading in Bengali medium, especially West Bengal board. So what should they do?
They need a mentor like you.
Okay.
Who can teach them how to use their skill or anything they have. I am not talking about English. Okay. Or if they have talent in any other thing. I mean any means anything.
Any ideas, any talents. They should express them
before camera or society. If they have painting talent, my friend Angad, he have a very good painting, you know.
Yes, Angad, he's a very good painter, you know.
But he doesn't know that much English.
Yes.
But he got
that means if he does not express his talent, no one can understand that he has that potential, right?
Yeah.
That means talent should not be kept secret. It should be exposed to the people,
yes.
Right? Okay, I remember one quotation. British people say that whatever you've got, it's so flaunted. It means like whatever talent or skills you have, express it, expose them to the people. They only understand that time, right? You already know my another student. His name is Nandan. He's from convent. He's in class 8 standard. Okay. I also built his confidence before the camera. Okay.
I
So
think he takes some classes like
okay.
that.
So do you think that it is compulsory? Is it compulsory for the people to put their children in English medium school to learn English and knowledge? Is it
I
important?
think that is not important.
Yeah. Example.
Like I am.
Okay.
I am or many students in your class.
Yes.
You know, there are not many many parents who can afford conversion school.
Yes.
That is very big fee.
Absolutely right. And the more important thing is that even I'm also not from convent school, nor he is from convent school. We are from Bengali medium. We are from government schools where the infrastructure and the education is not so up to that mark. But still we made it, we did it. Letting people know that no, this is not mandatory. If it is the situation, or if it is the matter of improving English and communicating thoughts, it's not mandatory to put them into the English environment or convent school. We can do it too, even in Bengali medium. I'm helping the other students like Joy. He's talking in English, reading in 10th standard. He just promoted from class 9 to 10. But now he's also talking like my other students, Nandan, who is also from the convent school. Okay, but I just want to bring the transformation, and I just want to show people that if children need to improve their English thoughts and communication skill, it is not mandatory to put them in English environment, but they can put them into my English environment, right? This is very important, because they will find, okay, what is the environment in my classroom according to you? What do you see? And what do you like to say about my steps and the way I teach my students?
Beside you, there are many English teachers. They only teach us how to read grammar, or they told us memorize that. And they never teach us how to use that, or how to use that in English or society. Like you teach us how to use my English in society. Now you are doing that.
Yes, absolutely.
That's the difference between you and other teachers.
Okay, thank you very much. And I hope all the English teachers who are teaching students English don't teach them as a subject to score marks in exam, because ultimately certificates will not give them the success. Certificates will give them an admit card to sit an exam where they can make a competitions against the other opponents or the contestants. Like there will be huge differences between the competitions. Create that English environment, put them into the active interactions with the other students, help them to express their ideas, not the notes, which we provide them. Because ultimately creativity is everything. Knowledge is not power. The power of knowledge is nothing but the imagination. So what would you like to say? A lot of teachers, they're telling students to memorize the notes. A lot of teachers, they're inspiring students to read the notes and to write the notes. So what would you suggest them? What are they doing and what they should be doing?
They are doing on, and that is not teacher fault. Nowadays, parents need result.
Yes.
There are many parents in our, there are many students who told you to teach us syllabus.
Yes, absolutely.
So if they told you to teach syllabus, recently class, you teach us, I think, a story or a paragraph.
Paragraph, I think.
If
like processing, we're learning processing in the class.
That is a very good content. If beside processing, you teach us any other story that will never or ever use in, we will never use that story in our life. Think if I go to America or anywhere, I will tell that story to everyone.
No, that's a practical thing. Yes.
I will use my skill to communicate with any other them.
Yeah. Definitely, that's a very good point. That means the final. What is the purpose of reading in school? See, the school will teach you the syllabus, and that syllabus will help you to score marks in your board exam. But ultimately, what is the purpose? In board exams, you will score marks, right? You'll get certificates. But English is not a subject; it's a language. If you don't know how to use it in the society to communicate your thoughts, so what is the benefit of scoring the marks in that certificate? Because certificates will not help you all the way whenever you're traveling in the world, right? That time, your language will definitely help you as your best mentor all the way.
Sir, there is one benefit of marking good score in exam. Your parents can tell other parents.
Okay.
That's
That's it. It's a ridiculous thing, right? Your parents can tell another parents that yes, my son, my daughter.
said 90% score.
Yeah, 90, my son scored 90% in English, but he cannot speak in English. There's no creativity, only marks. So marks will not tell you. A piece of paper can never decide your destiny, but your thoughts and your action can, right? Anyway, so now let's come to YouTube. Now, how is YouTube helping students? Is it good for the students or it is bad for the students?
It depends on the student. If there is some student who want to learn, they can learn many things from YouTube. After lockdown, there are many videos, or they create many channels.
Yes.
Teachers create many channels to teach English or math. You can now search YouTube math chapter that or any etc. etc. There will be a video.
Okay.
You can understand from that.
Okay.
If there will be no video, how can we
Get access to those content.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So what do you think? Is it good, so many parents think that this internet and smartphones, they are diverting the students from their study. Is it right thinking? So what should they do? And without getting smartphone, the students also cannot join their classes nowadays after lockdown. So what is your advice to the parents? You are also using smartphone
Yes,
every time. You're also joining my classes online on Google Meet. So what is your advice to those parents?
I think I will say that everything is good in limit. If your son is using phone or smartphone in limit, that is okay. If he read or if he study for 4 hours, give him smartphone for 2 hours for playing game or anything. But if he's only studying 1 hour and playing video game for 23 hours or anything, so that is a bad thing.
Yeah. So the family and the parents should keep a surveillance on that matter,
Yes.
right? They should check up the children, what they're doing exactly. If they're just spending time for education, so it's okay. Otherwise, they can snatch the mobile from them, right? Although it depends on the habit. If the students are just like Joy, he's using internet, he's using smartphone, he's using the technology to improve his knowledge so that he can get better every single day. And I'm just helping him. And definitely he's going to get a job in future, okay? And how would you like to use do you have interest to open up YouTube channel, and what is the purpose for this?
I think I have interest. Besides, I opened a YouTube channel, I think 1 or 2 years ago. I post some videos of editing, how to edit. I know some editing.
Okay.
So I think I will be a gamer or anything that I like.
Okay,
Even
why
like-
gamer? Do you think that a gamer can be an important person in the society with a decent earning in future? Can you give an
Yes.
example? How?
Like Karim Minati, he's in main channel. He had 30 million, I think, subscribers.
Yeah, more than 30 million.
More than 30 million. In his gaming channel, he have.
He has gaming channel too?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that before. Anyway.
He has a gaming channel, I think 12 or 30 million subscriber. I am saying, in nowadays, you can earn money anything with anything. If you know, there is a song Kacha Badam.
Oh yes, Kacha Badam. Yeah, it's a very viral song. Now, can you imagine that it's small lines? It's few lines of Kacha Badam. It just
Now
got
he is
viral
making a
worldwide.
song.
This is internationally worldwide famous song right now, right? And he has been hired by Bollywood music industry to record more songs like that, Yes. Yeah, it's a very thing. That means what Joy wants to say is that anyone can be a viral person if he has good content
Or
to
talent.
give, or talent, right? It may be connected with the entertainment, or it may be connected with the education, or any skills that are important for the society to learn and earn, right?
Yes.
Very good. Anyway, it's a very good, beautiful conversation with you, Joy. And today I'm very happy that being a student from West Bengal Board and from Kogumali High School, Siliguri, okay, it is possible to develop English skills and communicating thoughts, especially when you are listening to my advice and instruction. Anything and everything is possible, right? So always maintain this attitude, keep learning, keep earning. Keep learning more ideas and keep sharing with them, with the people living in the society. Anyway, hope this video will inspire a lot of students who are reading from Bengali medium schools like Hogumali High School, Siliguri. They can also bring great changes like joy. But one thing, as he said, a teacher is not responsible to improve the overall quality of a student. A mentor can, just like me. I'm helping my students to develop the highest potential which they have, to transform them from the inferior level to the best level as they can be. So we should always try to find out the best skills. We should believe in transformation, not education. Bye bye, take care, keep learning and keep shining. Thank you.